Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make peanut butter cookies without vanilla extract. You'll be surprised how easy it is to achieve a rich, nutty flavor with just a few pantry staples. We'll start by combining our main ingredients, ensuring a perfect balance for that classic taste. This simple approach means less fuss and more time to enjoy your homemade treats. Let's get baking. Now let's get to mixing. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of creamy or crunchy peanut butter with half a cup of granulated sugar. Next, crack in 1 large egg. Stir these 3 ingredients together thoroughly until you have a well-combined, uniform dough. It should be firm enough to handle but still pliable. This simple step is key to developing that signature peanut butter cookie texture. Once your dough is ready, it's time to shape those delicious cookies. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls and arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then, use a fork to gently flatten each ball, creating the classic crisscross pattern. This not only looks great but also helps them bake evenly. Pop them into an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes until lightly golden. After baking, allow your cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. They'll be perfectly soft and chewy, ready to enjoy with a glass of milk or your favorite beverage. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your easy, homemade peanut butter cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.